DM stock analysis update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Desktop metal stock analysis, super simple, right? Yeah, we've gone up 21% up for the day. And honestly, like, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that I've made 24,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars in course and entries, which I've refined. You know, the strategy after that much refinement is what I've come up with. And it has delivered thousands of correct predictions in 2023 and 2024. So that being said, this is what I'm using here. Not financial advice by any means. It doesn't mean this is, you know, what you should do. No, I'm just giving you context behind the message. With desktop metal stock, this is how my chart still looks like, you know. Does not matter what the price, like, as long as it's inside this kind of area, it's going to be a no man's land unless we make a new range. But if it starts going down like this and gives me a double break, then I'm even taking it lower, you know. And I really would not entertain the idea here, man. I wouldn't do it. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for like a double break like this. If it gives me that, then I'm short. If it doesn't, you know, all good. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. I'll see you in the next